Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss B-tree insertion of order 3. Insert these elements into the B-tree. Remember, insertion is always performed at leaf node. We already know that insertion is always performed at leaf node. Here order m is equal to 3. First step, identify the minimum number of keys and the minimum number of children that are present in each node. First remember this one, the minimum number of keys and the minimum number of children that are present in each node. The minimum number of keys are m by 2 minus 1 and the minimum number of children are m by 2. So m by 2 means 3 by 2. That means 1.5 minus 1. Seal of 1.5 means 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And here the value is 2. So in order 3, each node contains a minimum of 1 key and a minimum of 2 children. Similarly, the maximum keys are m minus 1. The maximum keys are m minus 1 and the maximum children are m. Okay, so m minus 1 means 2, that is the maximum keys. M is 3, the maximum children. These are the conditions. Now first, insert 92. This is the 92. So how many number of keys? The maximum we are replacing 2 keys. Suppose we are using 2 boxes. Even though it is empty, represented in the box format. This is the node. Now insert 24. What is the position of 24? We have only one node and this is the leaf node, at the same time that is the root node. Leaf node and the root node. This is the position of 24, 92. At the time of each insertion, arrange in sorted order. Next, insert 6. What is the position of 6? 6th position is this one. 6, 24, 92. This is the position of 6. But see this one, according to property, the maximum keys are allowed only 2. But after inserting 6, this node becomes 3 elements. This node contains 3 keys. It violates the property. What we have to do? Whenever it violates the property, perform split operation. After splitting, the middle element, that is simply the median element, moves to the root. That means after splitting, 24 is moved to the root and this part is the left subtree and this is the right subtree and this is the tree. 6, 92. Okay. After inserting 6, it violates the property. So perform split operation. After splitting, we already discussed in the insertion, m by 2 minus 1. Move to the root element, m minus m by 2. That is, m minus m by 2 is one part. M by 2 minus 1 is another part. The middle element is moved to the root. 6 is completed. Next, insert 7. First 7 is compared with 24. This is the tree. This is the B tree. What is the procedure? 7 is compared with 24. So 7 is less than 24. Move to the left part. This is the leaf node. The leaf node has 2 positions. One is filled, another one is empty. And this is the position of 7. Next, insert 11. Next element is insert 11. Okay. 6, 7, and this is the position of 11. According to binary search tree, also this is the position of 11. It violates the property. Whenever it violates the property, perform split operation and move this element to the root, Here check, the root contains only one element, there is a chance for another element, so perform split operation and move. Whenever we are performing split operation, that node is divided into two nodes. One is the left subtree of this node, another one is the right subtree of this one. So 7, by moving 7 to the parent, this is a subtree, this is left subtree of 6, and this one is the right subtree of 7. 6 is left subtree and 11 is right subtree, and this 92 as usual right child of 24, This is after insertion of 11. Now insert 8. So in the tree, the position of 8 is simply 7, 24. 8 is greater than 7 and less than 24. So we have to move the middle child. In the middle child, it contains one element 11. So according to sorted order, first to place 8 and then 11 and 92. This one. Now insert 22. Insert 22. 7, 24. 6, 8, 11, 22 is between 7 and 24. So this is the position 92. This is the position of 22. After inserting 22, what happens? This node violates the property. Whenever it violates the property, move this node to the parent. By moving this node to the parent, what happens? Here the node becomes 7, 11, 24. It also violates the property. Again, move this node to the parent. Okay? Move this node to the parent. That means what happens? First 11 is moved to this position. If 11 is moved to this position, suppose I will draw 7, 11, 24. This is as it is. For 11, the left child is 8. For 11, the right one is 22. And this is 92. Again, it violates the property. If violates the property, this node is moved to the root. But this is the root. Now create a new root with this element 11. So whenever we are performing split operation, this left contains the left subtree, this right part is the right subtree. Simply 7 is the left child, 24 is the right child. 7 is the left child, 24 is the right child. Similarly, for 7, 6 and 8. If you don't know, according to binary search tree, 8 is less than 11, 8 is greater than 7. So place at this position. Similarly, 22 is the left child and 92 is the right child. This is the position after inserting 22. Now insert 4. What is the position of 4? The position of 4 is at this position. Suppose insert 11, 4 and 6. Okay, 4 is completed. Now insert 5. Insert 5. So what is the position of 5? Position of 5 is this one. Simply I will write again. After inserting 5 at this position, what happens? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So it violates the property. So write this one also. 11, 7, 24, 4, 5, 6. Even though it violates the property, place 5 at the proper position. Remember, place the element at the proper position. 8. Now violates the property. Move 5 to the parent. Move 5 to the parent. 11, 5 and 7. 24. After moving, 4 is the left child for 5, 6 is the right child for 5. So 4 is the left child and 6 is the right child. 6 is the right child for 5. And for 7, automatically 6 is the left child and 8 is already present. 8 is the right child. Okay, insert 5 is completed. Now insert 16. Now insert 16. What is the position of 16? 16 is greater than 11. We are coming to this node. 16 is less than 24. We are coming to this node and check this position is free or busy. That is full or empty. So there is a chance for one more element. So simply place that element. 11, 5, 7, 4, 6, 8, 24. In this, insert 16, 22 and 92. Now the next element is insert 19. Insert 19. So what is the position of 19? The position of 19 is again at this position. The position of 19 is at this position. After 19, I am directly writing the answer. After 19, it violates the property. So what to do? Move 19 to the root. Move 19 to the root. That is 11, 5, 7. See this one. By moving 19 to the root, it becomes 19, 24. By moving this 19, 16 becomes the left child, 22 becomes the right child. So 16 becomes the left child, 22 becomes the right child. And for 24, this right child is as it is, 92. And similarly for this 5, 4, this is 6, this is 8. This does not change. Now insert 20. Now insert 20. So what is the position of 20? 20 is greater than 11 compared to 19. 20 is greater than 19 and less than 24. So we are moving on the middle child. So once again I am drawing the child. 11, 5, 7, 19, 24, 19, 24, 4, 6, 8, 16, the middle child. Middle child is 20 and 22. Now the right child is 92 and the next inserted element is 78. Next inserted element is 78. So exactly the 78 position is greater than 92. So 78, 92. So I am inserting two elements. This is the final tree. Observe each and every step. First, given an order, identify the minimum number of keys and minimum number of children. Similarly, maximum number of keys and maximum number of children. Here maximum is very easy to remember. If the order is m, maximum children are m and automatically maximum keys are 2. In minimum means minimum children are m by 2, minimum keys are m by 2 minus 1. Remember, keys are always one less than children. So whenever it violates the property violation means if the number of keys are more than the specified, if number of keys are more than allowed, perform split operation. Whenever we are performing split operation, the middle element move to the parent, the median element move to the parent, and then one left part becomes the left child, right part becomes the right child. This is a B tree of order 3. In the next session we will discuss one more example of B tree of order 4. Thank you.